So I was asked the other day, can you take a screenshot off your RC controller? Maybe if you wanted to show something on a video, or you wanted to take a photograph while you're out, but you don't want to use the video footage, you can do a screen save, guys. It's quite simple. So all we got to do, I've got to thank Stefan for this because he asked me this question. I wasn't too sure, but if you drag down the screen here, you see it there, screenshot. So whatever it's on, you just press that screenshot and it's taking that shot. Now, say for instance, I wanted to take, say something, say this shot here. So what I do, I bring it down and it's done it. Now, if you want to view that, say for instance, now I've done another video about how to do a quick transfer, but if you wanted to view that, come out of that one, you just press on the album and then you press saved at the top here, do it again, and then you got at the side here, you got your phone album, you got your movies, and you got your screenshots. So we've got 3 shots here. So hopefully, Stefan, that's answered your question very quickly. Anyway, as always, guys, if you enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And I'll catch you on another Sean the Drone tip.